Hello everyone. In this session, we shall see what skill of illustration imply. This skill, as you know, it requires to develop understanding and higher order thinking among students. This skill is one of the most important attributes that a good teacher must possess. As you know, illustration is an activity which shows the relationship among various concepts, ideas, events, or phenomena. You can say that this skill of illustration is defined as an act of bringing about understanding in someone about a concept, maybe a principle or a phenomena. Clear? Now, you need to remember that while using these skills, there are certain things that you have to take into account. Firstly, you need to formulate using simple examples. Or if you're illustrating with the aid of some devices, then simplify the device. Clear? Again, formulating examples relevant to the concept. Whatever you show or whatever you place before the learner, it should be relevant. Okay, so you just try to generalize this skill of illustration, as I have written with examples. It can be cited with the use of devices also. So you can simply write skill of illustration. Okay. Coming to the next is formulating interesting examples. So while citing an example or telling a story relating to the story with the concept, while doing so, you should see that it is interesting and it is to the point. The next is using appropriate media. The media should be learner friendly. It should not be complicated. Clear? Again, using examples by appropriate approach. So it should be sequence, order, well disciplined, clear, free from barriers that will distract the learner's attention. So you need to keep all these things in mind. Skill of illustration, as it has been stated, it is very useful to depict a picture about what you are saying. So it needs to be used very meaningfully and very wisely. Coming to the components, you can say that the relevant part is the first and the foremost thing that needs to be taken into account. You try to use relevant examples. I've already stated what that implies. Next is clear presentation of concept or the content taught. It should be clear. If you're using a chart, if you're using a model, if you're verbally speaking or uttering something, it should be clear. Next, it should be simple and easy. It should be learner friendly. It should be as per their level of intake. Coming to the next is students' interaction. So it should generate students' participation. Allow the students to speak out, give their views. Ask the students whether they are able to understand it or not. While citing an example, you can seek for students' participation as well. Next, it is the correlating with the topic. So you correlate with the topic. It should be related to the topic. The teacher must give relevant examples to correlate with the topic. So all these components you need to keep into account while illustrating. So skill of illustration, as you know, it is a very important tool for a teacher. So how effectively and how meaningfully a teacher is able to use depends upon the teacher. If the teacher is able to make use of this skill of illustration, then definitely he will generate interest among the learner. Clear? So as of today, we are done with the skill of illustration. I shall switch to the other skill. In my next skill, I shall speak about using the whiteboard or the writing board. So till then, if you have any queries, any questions, any doubts, you can always ask. You can comment below or interact with us with the aid of phone or emails. Okay, so thank you. Take care.